So we just came from this little pond area, this little sitting area, and the monkeys were on us. They were nice and calm and sweet, and the grip on their hands was like this warm, like suede-ish rubbery, but like feels like it suction cups you. It was really cool. I love it here. So beautiful. Just like so much nature. It's amazing. I have so much monkey videos to share with you guys, up close and personal, living alive in the nature in their habitat. Entrance to the monkey forest. There's also a cafe right here. All these motorbikes. And then that's the cafe. Incredible. Hello. Hello. Feels so naturey. The family of ducks right there. So cute. This is the entrance. The monkey. It has this like green moss on it. Wow, very enchanting and vibrant. We're about to go into this cave. It's a dark cave. This is so sick. Ooh, there's stuff on the walls. They carved it. There's more monkeys. There's so many already. We just started. Corn! Who gave him corn? He likes it. They're a couple. They're a family. Kisses. Wow. You can take pictures with them. These ones are trained. This is where they eat. Baby just jumped up. Are you okay?
Excuse me.
No worries, you're okay. It's a family.
How are you?
Oh, bananas. He's eating. He opened the banana so quickly. He wants more. Oh, oh no. So cute. They're all coming down the steps like us. There's a water bottle. Someone left their trash. The sound of this is some type of insect, but I'm not sure just yet what it's called. He's looking for ticks to support his lover and the parent. The wife is grooming the husband. Aww. Kids being kids. Whoa! They're swinging. Wow. There's literally a teeny baby right there. So little on his own. Whoa. He's a mischievous one. He causes problems in the family. Oh, baby. Wants attention. This is beautiful. The green path. This is a boy. He's itchy. Walking together. He's coming with us. girl. He's a smart monkey. He's ripping it to pieces, and there's like a little black ball, and he's rubbing it. And this one's just lounging, living his best life. Not a care in the world. Oh my god, was it actually good? I would try it. Oh no, don't fall. This is my hair. Hi, baby. Oh, this is my phone. You can't have it. Oh, this is my hand. Oh, he's nibbling. Wow. Oh, no, 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 no. Those are my nails. You can't have them. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Let's bring you down. Okay. Okay, okay. That's my nail. I know it's sharp and it's plastic, but you can't bite it. His grip was so tight. He has a tight grip. Like it feels like soft. Amazing. Let me get you from this side. He is so friendly. So nice and calm. I love her. So beautiful. She wants what's in her bag. They do see the monkey steal, so he's trying to get the goods. He wants her stuff. What are they doing? Are they making love? No. What's happening? Oh, is he laying back and she's cleaning him? There's a stream right there. I can hear the water. Beautiful. That monkey right there literally has a vape, guys. This is not good. We need to take that vape away from the monkey. You cannot smoke the vape. It's bad for your lungs. You cannot. Tell him it's bad for it's not good for you. It's not. Yeah. Another one.